Most online drum courses are broken. They were built for the internet of 2015, not for drummers in 2025. And today I'm going to show you why the old way failed and what's replacing it.
Martin, how are you, buddy? Just after our 1 week, my reporting back to you is that the technique has been amazing. I'm really surprised, actually.
That was Ben, drummer for Parkway Drive. After just 1 week of applying the system, he already saw amazing results. When a world touring drummer says that, you know that something serious is happening. And if improvements like this are possible, would you at least be interested to see what has changed? Because that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Let's talk about why real drum camps have always been the peak learning experience for serious drummers. First, you get comprehensive knowledge. The instructor teaches you theory about a specific technique, like double bass drumming, demonstrates it live in front of you, and then you practice along immediately under their guidance. Second, you receive real-time feedback. While all attendees are practicing the exercises, the teacher walks around checking on every single drummer individually. You don't get general advice, you get feedback that is specific to your technique, your habits and your challenges. And third, and this is the hidden gem that often gets overlooked, you are surrounded by other drummers working on the exact same exercises. You see beginners struggling, you see drummers at your level, and you see advanced players showing you what's possible. This real-time feedback loop accelerates your learning like nothing else. Being in a drum camp is like climbing a mountain with a team. When someone clears a tough path ahead of you, it makes your climb easier and faster. The community literally pulls you towards your goals. But as amazing as drum camps are, they do come with some serious limitations. Location is a huge challenge. You have to travel long distance, costing time, money and effort. Drum camps usually happen only a few times per year. That's not consistent progress. And there's the price. Over $1,000 for a few days, not counting flights and hotels. Finally, camps cover many random topics. Only part of it might be relevant to your personal drumming journey, and there are no camps that focus just on double bass drumming. Now, what about regular online drum courses? At first, they seem great. Affordable, accessible, available anytime. I've personally been creating online courses since 2016 and I still think they absolutely had their place, and they still do. Knowledge is important, but knowledge without application is actually useless. You get theory and demonstrations, but you don't get real-time feedback. No one sees you struggling, no one helps you adjust. And most importantly, no community pulling you forward. This isolation leads to frustration and burnout. And if you've ever felt stuck after trying an online course, would you at least agree that missing real feedback and community support might have been part of the reason? It's 2025. It's time we do better. And in just a minute, I'll show you how we fixed it. Technology has finally caught up. We can offer live coaching. We can structure progressive learning journeys. We can build real communities. The future of drum education is about full immersion. And that future starts now. This is exactly why I created Marthyn's Drum Camp. Double bass drumming wasn't just my passion, it was my biggest frustration too. I bought expensive pedals. I practiced 3 to 4 times per week and still saw no progress. There was this one DVD by Thomas Lang called Creative Control. For years, I couldn't even play the basic beginner exercises shown in this DVD. That frustration, it changes you. But the problem wasn't me, and it's not you either. The problem was the approach. Marthyn's Drum Camp fixes the broken model. Laser focus. We focus on double bass drumming only. You get a clearly structured roadmap, weekly live coaching sessions, a real community, not empty forums. And instead of paying $4,000 a year for 4 drum camps, you pay less than $100 a month. Accessible, focused, consistent. Drum education has to evolve. The old models worked for their time, but now we have better tools, and better ways. What we are building here isn't just another course. It's a movement, it's a community, it's a pathway to mastery. Now, best case, you can join and finally crush your double bass frustrations. You improve consistently and you enjoy double bass drumming again, just like you always wanted. And the worst case, you invest less than $100 for 1 month. You get all the tools, all the knowledge, and even if you decide to continue practicing by yourself, you leave way stronger than you started. If that sounds fair to you, you can visit school.com/Marthyn or simply click the link below this video. Your double bass journey can start right now.